Hello students, I am Dr. Mahima Sharma and today's topic is ecological pyramids. First of all, you must know that what are the ecological pyramids. An ecological pyramid is a graphical representation showing the relationship between organisms at various trophic levels in an ecosystem. An ecological pyramid are also known as tropical pyramid, Eltonian pyramid, energy pyramid, or sometimes food pyramids, and they are exactly a graphical representation to show the number, biomass or bioproductivity and energy at each trophic level in a given ecosystem. The concept of a pyramid of numbers was given by Elton, and thus it is also known as Eltonian pyramids. So we are seeing here a pyramid. This is the pictorial representation of energy pyramid, where on the base we are seeing the primary producers on first trophic level. The second trophic level represents the primary consumers. The third, secondary, fourth trophic level, these are third level consumers, and the last is the top or apex predators. So there the representation of energy is transmitted in the form of a pyramid. This is shown in this picture. So we will study now the various kind of pyramids. The ecological pyramids begin with producers on the bottom such as plants and proceed through the various trophic levels such as herbivores that eats on plants, then carnivores that eat on flesh, then omnivores that eat on both plants and flesh, and so on. The highest level of the top of the food chain. The ecological pyramids may be of the following three kinds: the pyramid of numbers, the pyramid of biomass, and the pyramid of energy. Now first of all we will study the type of pyramid of number. It shows the numerical relationship in different trophic levels. A graphical representation of total numbers of individuals of organisms at each trophical level in an ecosystem is known as a pyramid of numbers. The length of each tier represents the total number of individuals of each trophic level. The maximum species form the base of pyramid, and the number of individuals decrease towards higher trophic levels. In the higher levels, the animal is large sized and its number is less. In lake ecosystem, the producers are maximum in number. Then primary consumers, zooplanktons, and their number goes on reducing towards the top level. These are the example of the upright pyramids. And another example is pond ecosystem, where the number of producers is high rather than the number of consumers. So there is the example. We are seeing a pyramid, pictorial representation of pyramid of upright type of pyramid of number, where we are studying the crop field, numerous crop field on the first trophic level, many grasshoppers which are less than crop plants, they are on second trophic level. Third, which are frogs which eat on the grasshoppers, they are on third tropical level but less in number from the grasshoppers. Then on the fourth tropic level they are snakes which eat on frog, which are also lesser than the frogs. Then the apex predators, which are vultures, and these are lesser than the snakes. So this is the graphical representation of the pyramid of number of upright type. Now here is the two kind of pyramids we are seeing here. It is taken from Odum, book of Odum, and according to this, the first picture is upright and second one is inverted, where we are seeing one is grassland in summer and other one is grassland. There is a temperate forest in summer. So grassland in grassland we see the number of plant is very high in comparison to the first consumers. Then consumer 1, C1 is more than to the C2, and C2 is more than to the C3. That is why the pyramid size is reducing upwards, and it is upright kind of pyramid. And whereas there is inverted, we are seeing that the plants are less in number, whereas the C1, the carnivores, the consumers 1 are higher in number, and consumer 2 are also high in comparison to the first trophic level. So this is seen in temperate forest in summer, when the consumers which are feeding on plant increase in number due to their breeding season, and in summers they flourish a large. So these are the number of pyramid of numbers. And another example we are seeing is of pyramid of numbers. Here lake ecosystem is showing upright pyramid of number, where the producers are seen here. The producers are maybe algae and various kind of phytoplanktons, whereas primary consumers, then the secondary consumers, which are primary consumer may be small fishes and various kind of organisms. Secondary consumers, these are medium sized fishes, and the tertiary consumers, which are large sized fishes. So we are seeing in this. Another example is pond ecosystem, where again the producers, fungi, algae and diatoms, are on the base, having big size, and number of small fishes is lesser than them, and then big fishes more less. Now, and another example of upright pyramid of number is seen in grass ecosystem, where this is the depiction is done of grassland. This is done before also. Here crop is eaten by mice, which number is less. Then the cat eats on mice, which number is also less. So there is a number is reducing upward, and this is upright kind of pyramid. Now we will see the inverted pyramids of number. So inverted pyramid of number, which is seen, is an example of a tree. There is an example of a tree where number of producer is only one, but the primary consumers are more in number than to the producer, and the secondary consumers are even more than the primary consumers. So the pyramid is inverted in this case. Now we will study the pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of biomass represents the total dry weight of organism of different species at each trophic level at the particular time. The living weight of the organism at the each trophic level at any time form pyramid of biomass. In this pyramid, a gradual decrease in biomass at each trophic level from bottom to top is visible. Inverted pyramid of biomass is also seen, and which is seen in pond ecosystem, in lake ecosystem. The phytoplankton algae are primary producers, and their weight is less compared to the herbivores. Now we are seeing the pyramid of biomasses, which were studied by Odum. In Odum book, it is given that in English Channel we are seeing the inverted kind of the pyramid of biomass, where the producer's biomass is lesser than the first consumer. In Wisconsin Lake, the producer's number is larger than the first carnivorous, and first carnivorous is larger than the second carnivorous. That is why the pyramid is upright. Whereas in Georgia Oldfield, producer's number is also high, so the base producers show the big base of biomass, and C1 lesser than this and C2 lesser than C1. So it is upright kind of pyramid. Whereas Anivet coral reefs, there is also the biomass production is higher in producer, and then lesser to C1 or consumer 1, and then lesser to the C2. So this is the pyramid of biomass we are seeing explained by Odum. An upright pyramid of biomass, an example is given here, where the producers are show a high amount of biomass, whereas the primary producer are reducing their biomass, and then secondary, then tertiary. So it is also an upright kind of biomass pyramid of biomass. Now this is the example of inverted pyramid. Inverted pyramid. In inverted pyramid, we are seeing that phytoplanktons, if we see about this lake or any pond ecosystem, we see the phytoplankton biomass is lesser than the carnivorous, than the consumer one, which is crustacean and small fishes. And C2, which is the second consumer, means the big fishes, are having big biomass comparative to the C1. So this is the example of inverted pyramid of biomass. Now the pyramid of energy. It shows the total amount of energy utilized by different trophic levels in ecosystem at a particular time. Example, the energy trapped by autotrophs of green plants is highest, thus form broad base of pyramid, reduced in herbivores and decreased till top consumers. Another example is ponds ecosystem. Hence, pyramid of energy is always upright because some energy is always lost at each trophic level. So pyramid of energy is always upright. We will see always upright kind of pyramid of energy in any kind of ecosystem. The example is here given. The Silver Spring, Florida, studied by Odom, and according to him, the producer takes 20,810 kilocal, whereas the consumer one absorbs lesser energy than C2, more less, and C3 the lesser one. So here is the decrease of energy on each trophic level upwardly. So it is an upright kind of trophic level which is seen in the pyramid of energy in Silver Spring, Florida. Now the another example of pyramid of energy we are seeing here. So here we are seeing that there is a grassland. We are seeing here grassland absorb a highest amount of energy here, which is 10,000 kilocal, and it is transferred to the next trophic level, which is consumer 1. These are the rabbits, which are taking 1,000 kilocal. Then it is transferred to the next, which is a fox, which is taking only 100 kilocal. The transfer of energy is 10% in each trophic level upwardly. So the 10% energy is transferred to the another trophic level, and which was explained before by the Lindemann's law and also by the Odom 10% law or 10% model of energy. So these are the energy pyramids, energy pyramids explained here, and these three kind of pyramids we see, and we will study more in our later videos. Thank you.